Hey guys, so here I'm making this really delicious spaghetti sauce. It is grass-fed ground beef with a little bit of beef liver, small pieces of beef liver mixed in it. So I did add some pure maple syrup to this. So the combination of the spaghetti sauce, the maple syrup, the ground beef, and the liver will mask the flavor of the liver. So you won't even notice it. And then I'm about to cook penne millet pasta. It is only one ingredient, organic millet flour. Now, it is naturally gluten-free, but I'm not really a proponent of grains because of its inflammatory properties. I am more of a proponent of more of like the carnivore, animal-based, paleo-ish lifestyle. So for that reason, I'm pretty much against grains. However, I'm okay with this millet because it's lectin-free. It's probably one of the only ancient grains that are lectin-free. So lectin is a protein that can really bind to the intestinal tract, and it can actually destroy the gut lining and create some gut dysbiosis. So I find that this is actually quite gentle on the stomach, and it's tasty. It cooks in like 5-6 minutes. The brand is Big Green Organic Food, so that's kind of the exception. And I'm excited to dive in. Okay, so I'm gonna take some butter. This is real pure butter from grass-fed cows. I'm gonna add that to the pasta now that it's cooked. Sorry, the steam is obstructing the vision here. So I added the sauce to the pasta, and you can see it looks delicious, and you wouldn't even know it has beef liver in it. So this is highly nutritious, nutrient dense, great for the kiddos, the whole family, and it's lectin free.